Hey, what up, guys? It's Anal coming with the True Sons versus Semper Invicta. Epic war. Yup. First of all, the best attack versus the best base, of course. Bacon donut. Best base in the clan, of course. This was barely a 3-star. That guy was about to run out of time, but he got it, so yep, good job, bro. Actually, he's from the enemy clan, that guy, the stick, but anyway, good job. So, next attack of this guy that attacked Bacon Donut by Mystic. So Shutter, drop the Wheezies, cleaning up those stuff. Yup, wall breakers, Queen, King, jump spell, zapping those troops. And hogs are going in. Surgical. Pretty nice surgical hogging. Good job. Yeah, that double jam bomb there, but won't do shit. Double jam bombs doesn't really affect the surgical hogging, so yep. And cleaning up Wiz. Good job, bro. Good job, Mystic. Nice. So let's move to the next one. By Daniel, yeah. Drops the cold blood. Zapping the troops. Yo. Yeah. Getting the air defense. And he's going in. Yep. Loons are going great. Hounds are moving to the next air defense. The one hound popped pretty quick. The other will stay long enough to tank the loons. Yeah, good job, bro. Haha, nice attack. Good job, Daniel. So, yep. Moving to the next attack. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Yeah, boss! So, let's see. Shutter, Surgical Hog. Pretty nice. He's from the Clash of Clans podcast. Yep. Golem's going inside to the jump. Tanking the other troops. The heroes, actually. Yep, CC troops. Zapping CC troops. And surgical. So, one giant, 3 hogs, 3 hogs, 3 hogs. And one giant, 3 hogs, 3 hogs, 3 hogs. And yep. Looking good. Yep, heal spell. Now. Taking the last defenses. And the cannon. And it's done. Cleaning up. Good job, boss. So that's it for this vid. Coming up with a new vid with more attacks. See you soon, guys. Peace.